Okay, Thursday, September 22nd. Just thought I'd follow up on Tesla, showing you it had reached its weekly target here. The options are now up to 1043, 1050, let's say. Bought those at 590. And it's worked its way all the way down on the first move of the day, as it turns out, towards that weekly target. That was right here at the 290.40 area. So we just hit it at 290.32. So the question is, at this point, you've hit your target. It's hard to say. You could get a secondary pause and another push down in terms of the intraday structure, but just showing you the type of trade where, when things work out and you have the targets in mind, and the 15-minute chart um, kind of holds its directional trend, this is what it kind of looks like on the very best trade. So just one of those trades, you never know for sure if they're going to reach their targets exactly in one move. In this case it did, but this is kind of what you look for in terms of price action. If it would have paused, it might have worked down there in a little less linear fashion. But anyway, just showing you a really good trade on Tesla. We're now below 290, breaking below there. I'm just looking at the weekly chart. I mean, you would think at some point on this 3 bar here on the week, well, you still have another day to go, so you can continue a little lower for sure. You've already broadened out a little bit. So at some point you might get the chop back up, and then you have to see if this little shorter term broadening action here either just continues up eventually, should the market somehow bottom up and turn, or are you going to broaden in a much bigger way where maybe you took out the highs up here and you're going to be heading all the way down to these lows in the 264 area. We'll know that a little more as time goes on. But for today anyway, and for the fact that you had 2 days to go in the week to kind of hit that target, and this opening price action, clearly, it ended up being a good trade where a lot of things aligned properly.